All right, Speed Auto Care here in Freehold, New Jersey is selling this box truck here, this Isuzu box truck. Very low mileage, actually, runs good. It's been sitting for a while. It's actually pretty clean. 58,000 miles just turned. Interior, of course, could use a once over, but definitely not the worst I've seen. Has a lift gate that's operational from what I'm told. Clean box except for there, just needs that thing patched up. Looks like I got a hole in it. Yeah, I gotta do that with two hands. There's the hole up top. Windshield's fine. I don't see any cracks or anything like that. If you need more information, please look in the description below. Actually, I have a site for it also with more photos, stuff like that. So you can definitely take a look at everything.